Hi guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon. Anyone trading this AGBA monster? Wowza. Wowza, wowza, wowza. Right, let's see what's happening. Market's alright. Market's not too bad actually. So, oh, I'm not live. That's so stupid of me. Let me fix my post. I said I'm not live. That's pretty silly of me. Give me a sec. Right, let me fix this and then we'll get started. We'll get started. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. I'm going to go through some of the Twitter requests and then I will go through your guys' requests on YouTube. Also, guys, one thing to note is that you don't have to always ask me tickers. I know you guys want to know about stocks, but you can also ask me just general questions about trading as well. If you want to learn, I can do my best to try and help you as well. So, because I don't just keep posting tickers, right? AGBA looks extremely good. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me go through some Twitter requests and then we'll get started. Right, let me have a look here. Okay, so TIRX, this was a nice one. We have this right now. Okay, so what we can see is that this was a previous resistance here, right? So now once we broke above this, we look like we are breaking it and now we're retesting it. I'm assuming it's coming down to around VWAP, which is here. So whatever this is, 153, so around there. Hopefully it can hold that level. For me personally, I'm gonna just wait till open and see what it does do, but I will just mark this area around here as an area of support, so 110. So I'm gonna have 110 as the area of support, as you can see here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually change this up a little bit. I'll put this as the high over here. This will be a better resistance level so we can see. Right, so at the moment we can see that this is an area of support. So if it comes down to here, it's likely that it will push up. I'll even put this as a demand zone so you guys can have this clearer like this. So here's your demand zone like this. This is on the 5-minute chart, by the way. So we have this as the demand zone right here. Now all we need to do is just wait for either it to pull back into demand zone or if it breaks above 189. Higher risk entries are if it pulls back to VWAP, which it's trying to right now. It might be trying to reverse here. Maybe it's good entries here. You could try. Stop loss would be, I would say, like 145 if you try to take this as a scalp. Personally, I'm not going to be taking the trade though. This BPTH. So the candles are like this on Webull. I don't think it's on any other broker, but I don't know why it does it. But the reason why the candles are very volatile at 8 a.m. is simply because brokers are open then. Most brokers are able to trade then. So there's a lot of bids being filled. Buy, sell, right? So people are taking profits and so on. That is why these candle wicks were very crazy at 8 a.m. But the continuous price action like this is a little bit strange. I don't know why it does it, but I wouldn't really worry about it too much. I personally just wouldn't trade this until market opens, until you see like regular candles, right? Because it's very difficult then to trade. Is it rational to expect AGB to reach 10? To reach $10? You think that this stock is going to run, it's up 200%, and you think it's going to run again to $10? That is 1,000%. I don't know. If you want to be in this game for the long haul, I would not be holding for those kind of moves, but up to you. Be a very realistic trader. Hi boss, your volume is very low. My volume is very low. Maybe your headphones is low. Turn it up, brother. Can you guys hear me fine? I'm going to get a mic this weekend, so you guys will hear me. If anyone can also post a request, if I'll put on Twitter, if someone can help me with that. What's a good mic? Because I have some background noise as well, which isn't ideal, but if anybody can do that, I would appreciate it. All right. SXTC. SXTC, let's have a look. All right, SXTC, let's go to a large time frame. So yesterday was down 27% for whatever reason, which is not a good sign, right? And then we can look now at this time frame. What do you think about this stock? Personally, what do you think, right? So I will make it very simple and clear for you that it was at 337 and now it's down 66% from there in 2 days. So personally, I don't know why you would be looking at this play. Maybe you have some China insider trading to know what's going to happen to this play. But technically speaking, I would run extremely far away from this stock. I would run very, 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 very far away from this because it might not go in your direction. RVSN. 4-hour chart. Let's see the trend. Someone asks me about this every single day. I'll give you a tip. Copy this chart and draw the same line, and then you'll notice you'll have the same thing. If you want to try and enter stock, you have to wait for it to break above. So copy this chart, draw the trend on the 4-hour. Until that trend breaks above, then you would be considering to try and take an entry, because looking at this every single day right now, it does not look great, right? You're going to be trying, oh, it's going to come up. Oh, it's going to come up. And it keeps going lower and lower and lower. So one tip I would say is maybe it's at $1 here. Maybe you could try and take some if you would like to. I wouldn't suggest taking this at all until it starts to break the trend line, because at the moment it is a falling knife. It's going down to the ground. It's going down to $0. RVSN, chart, RSI. I don't really worry about RSI too much, bro. But yeah, up to you if you use that in your trading. WISA is down 11%. Not much volume. Maybe it will run today. Be careful because Mr. Morris is scoping this one out, I'm assuming. So just be cautious. You don't want to be caught up in a pump and dump. So here, right now we can see that it's around the demand zone. I personally would not enter around here because it's bearish, low volume, not really any kind of momentum. Until it breaks, I would say above like $9, maybe I'd consider something. But yeah, for now it's hit or miss, to be honest. It's a hit or miss, to be honest. Your volume's completely fine. Okay, cool, nice. SINT, yeah. What people were talking about? I know SIT I ran yesterday, but I mean it's up 50% from yesterday, so 60% today. It's just simple continuation. How I would trade this, I would simply just draw a trend line and then trade from there. So very simply go from here, get the touches in here. So maybe if it comes down to around this level, you could look for entries. That's how I would trade it. I don't like trading a stock when it's continue going up like this because it's chasing. So in my opinion, I would just avoid. For now, at least. I mean, I would just wait for the trend line for safe entries. IZM, someone asked me about this IZM. Who wants to type in the chat and tell me what they think of this chart? All right? Who asked the question? Anonymous thinker. What are your thoughts? Make it very easy for yourself to trade this one. It's down 88% yesterday and then down 20% today. What do you think about the stock? Your thought process, I can tell you, is that, oh, it's down, what, I guess 100%. It's going to eventually go up. But you don't know. Right? You don't know where the bottom is. It might go down another 20%, another 30, another 40, another 50, another 60, right? So you don't know. How do you know if this is going to reverse? Simply do this. Draw the trend. Look, right now, what is happening? This thing is extremely, this is probably the most bearish stock on the market. So I would not be touching this. I don't even want to talk about this one. Just avoid it. I don't know, maybe it will run, who knows, but I'm just talking on a technical basis right now. Stay away. I mean, if you wanted to try and take it, maybe wait for that trend to break, so around 580. But other than that, I don't know. It's down 100% in 2 days, so 80 and 20%. So up to you what you decide. HBCO, HBCO, HBCO. I'm assuming HUBC. HUBC is just going with the news of what's going on with the war. So when there's war, this will go up. This is the Israeli stock, I'm pretty sure. AGBA is right here. So I don't know, I think did it go off VWAP? So I don't know if anyone did take this off VWAP over here when it initially pulled back. Was this the one? No, I don't think it was this one. It was another stock. But at the moment, look, uptrend, held $1. That's kind of where you're at right now. 150 is your resistance, then 175. Here is like a no trade range. I don't know. I can't trade in this range. I don't know what's happening here. BCAN, I don't know anything about BCAN, but I'll share my chart. Everyone and their grandmother talks about the stock. I can tell you that right now it is bearish. It's broken below this consolidation zone. Therefore, it is no longer valid. So what we have to do is we have to identify where is the next area of support. It's right at $1, so maybe that's a strong indication of an area of support. But at the same time, this is not looking too good. So what I would do is simply just wait for a trend break, and then maybe I would enter. But yeah, at the moment, I don't know. Guessing game, guessing game, guessing game. Guys, like up the stream. We have 50 people in here. We have, I think, like 10 likes. Come on, man. It's free to do so. Right, another one. Tara, someone asked me about this yesterday. What do you guys think? 4 hour, extremely, extremely, extremely low volume. No reason to enter. If you want to enter, wait for the trend break. We used to just drop news. Oh shit, ready? I'll have a look. Hollow, hollow, hollow. Hollow is just hollowing away. We can say maybe uptrend. There you go. I am watching this play definitely today. Hopefully it goes, because I'm watching it as a trade for today. I will have to wait till open though and see. Come on guys, like it up, like it up, like it up, like it up. Weesa, 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 Weesa. They dropped an offering, was that their news? Weesa. Let me see what Weesa just did. Weesa, wait, they did drop news and they're still terrible news. I mean, it still went down. Oh well. Morning, everyone. Do you only do day trading? Do you like swing trades if there are strong catalysts? I don't trade based off fundamentals, unfortunately. I don't think, in my opinion, is the way to trade. Everyone has a different approach to trading, but for me, mentally, it's like, no matter how good the stock is, if you're going to get emotionally attached to it, then I don't know, maybe you love Teslas and you want to buy that, then fair enough. But I just think about it logically, like you can't really predict what's going to happen to any play because there's so much ongoing news. But I guess you can look at years of the trading of the stock and you can get an idea from there. That's why people trade ETFs, because they are more consistent. But trading based off news is not a good idea in my opinion, because whether stock cures cancer, the company cures cancer, or it's merged with some big companies, someone will always know before you. They will always sell the news. It won't always keep going up. So I don't know. For me, I just day trade because I'm in a stock for 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, whatever, make my profit, and then I'm out. So, and I don't play whole plays overnight, but swing setups, I'm going to start doing them in the Discord, just basically based off fundamentals. I won't be giving swing trades that have earnings coming up or any FDA kind of trials coming up, because that will affect it tremendously. So yeah, that's just my approach to it. That's all. CXAI. Weesa, I'm just going to avoid it. I think they dropped an offering. Trash ass stock. Invo, did someone ask me about Invo? Is that what I typed in? No, CXAI. I missed this trade yesterday. I'm such an idiot. CXI looks like it's possibly trying to reverse. Let's go to 30-minute here. Maybe it's in like this demand zone-ish area here. You can see. We can just use this level here. We'll use this zone. So it's in like a demand zone. We can see that's one thing. We can see another area. What's happening is that it's in like a downtrend, but breaks that downtrend, maybe it'll be good for entries. So you can keep that on watch. Bearish, easy geo, Beacon, I don't know guys, it's not my kind of play. I just went over it as well. Easy geo, maybe reversal, same thing here. So all I would do is draw the trend line. The trend line is trying to reverse, breaks above, maybe you could look for entries. That's how I would trade that. SPEC got absolutely wrecked yesterday, I think. Let me see, is this the one yesterday? Oh no, what play was it? No, not SPEC, it was another one. I can't remember what it was called. Something like that. SPEC, same thing, downtrend. I don't know. I wouldn't be touching this low volume at the moment. Huge sell-off from yesterday. 217 all the way down to 60 cents. So yeah, no bueno. What is my target for Hollow? Guys, I will tell you this, and I will be honest with you, and I won't BS with you guys. I do not hold for price targets. Whatever price I get in at, whether I get in at the stock at $50, $7 million, 2 cents, 1 cent, my first target is always 5% from my entry. So what does that mean? It means if I buy a stock at $5, right? What is 5% of $5? It's $5.25. So meaning if I buy a stock at $5, I will be selling at least 50% of my position at my $5.25. That is what my target is. Whatever my entry is, I have a 5% first target. That is how I trade. I don't hold and for, oh, an analyst told me, or an analyst said on whatever, it's running to $6,000. If you guys are going to be holding for these analysts who don't even know half the time what's going on, this is for their own benefit, then I don't know. No one can tell you what price stock will go to. I don't give a hoot what anyone says. Verb is running. So Verb is still in the downtrend. I don't know, your major resistance here is that 0.21. 0.21. No worries, bro. Just trying to make it clear for you because too many people ask what's the target. No one can tell you what target the price will what price the stock will go to. No one can tell you that. If they do, let me know. I'll give them a couple $1 billion. GCTK, very weird chart. I don't know, this one's strange for me. I mean, obviously it's very bullish at the moment. Yeah, this is a choppy chart. I'm not really a fan of this. I know this used to run back in the day. So right now, yeah, I mean nothing. I mean, if anything, here's your demand zone, last red candle for the move up. Here's your demand zone like this. So that's what I would have here. Maybe it'll pull back to here, then go up again. Hopefully. BTTR, is this, this is better something therapeutics or something, isn't it? Oh no, better choice. What's the other one? Oh, I think it's Bitcoin. So this one, I would just look at the trend. The trend is bearish. Maybe you could say bullish pennant, possible. Could be possible, but just a lack of volume at the moment. It hasn't even got any pre-market action. So yeah, it's a bit difficult to know what's happening with that. Hoot. Guys, like up the stream and also subscribe if you haven't. We are starting to post some new videos coming up. So be ready. It did drop an offering as well. That's so funny, Dylan. What did I say? That is so funny. What's up, boys? What's up, boys? What's up, ladies? What's up, gentlemen? What up? What up? Give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. Let me do something. Just need to do something for a member. For the member who just joined, I sent you the link. Right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be here for 5 more minutes, and I've got to head out. We got a few members who joined the last couple of days, so I'm gonna do a run through of the Discord with them. Yeah, guys, like up the stream as well and subscribe if you haven't. Greatly appreciate it. BPTH. Let me have a look. BPTH is running 72%. Oh, we have this one here. So look, you see these crazy wicks, like we don't know what's happening here, right? We can identify though what, like an area of resistance is around 640, support maybe around here, I don't know, $3-4, we could just round it to. So right now we don't know what's going on, right? It's going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I know if it breaks above 640, then maybe I will look for an entry. But for now, I would just avoid it because I don't know, you don't really know what's going on with it, right? So just wait. Be patient, be patient, be patient. Be patient, be patient, be patient. Rightio, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what else is moving. Let me have a look, a refresh the top gainers. TRX, PPTH, Hollow, Me, TWG. TWG is running again. TWG. Do you not accept American Express or Discord? I don't know what's up. I don't know why WAP doesn't work with American Express. I don't know. I've had a lot of people having the same issue. I reached out to them before and they said there shouldn't be an issue. If you do have an issue with it, just DM me on, or you guys can just use this upgrade chat for. We don't really use PayPal, but we've closed it and we focus on only WAP. But if you're able to use another card, you can, but use this link. This is a PayPal link if you want to join through that way. It should work with that. I don't know why WAP, someone just joined as well. That I just sent them that link. They joined through this link, so. Can we get a quick scan of SPFM? SPFM or SFPM? SFPM? I don't know which stock that is, bro. If you can, do you trade immediately after market open? So I trade pre-market and I trade 2 hours before market open, which is 7 a.m. Eastern. I live in Dubai, so it's what, I think it's 3 p.m. here in Dubai. That's when the most volume comes in during pre-market, and then after that I just chill till basically trade for like 30-40 minutes, and then all I do is like just go onto YouTube with you guys here, and then after that I just go on to I wait after market open, do live trading with the members, and we look for setups. So I just wait as long as it takes me. It might take me, I don't trade within the first 15 minutes, I would say. That's kind of how I do. I have to wait. It's too volatile. It's extremely difficult to give alerts in that section. But we have a couple strategies that we do use at open as well that I teach the members. So yeah, it's just very risky buying at open because it's so volatile. It's very, very hard. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. TPET, TPET. Right, guys, I'm going to be here to go over these, and then I've got to head into Discord. I've got to do some things for new members. TPET is extremely bearish, but it might be reversing in this 4-hour demand zone. Maybe. We don't know. But yeah, this is what you have right now. This is your demand zone. Yeah, Hollow's looking, I like Hollow. Hollow's looking nice. It's very steady play today. Definitely keep it on watch. So this is TPET. This is in demand zone. So this is safer entries here, but it is 30 cents. Maybe that's a huge psychological level. Difficult though with these plays. Thank you, SPFM. All right, SPFM, and then I have to head out. All right, SPFM. SPFM, did they have a reverse split or what? Why is it like this? So SPFM, there's not much price action, but from what I can see, right, I'll make it very easy for you, right? So you can see this is your range, right? So in my opinion, I would just avoid trading within this range because you can see every time it gets to these levels, it's rejecting, right? You know, if a candle goes above like this, see this? If a candle closes above like that, then you can enter. But if a candle wicks down like that, which it has numerous amount of times, then I wouldn't consider it. But at the moment it's red, I would just avoid it. All right, guys, if you can please do me a favor and subscribe if you haven't. I know we've got a few new people in here, and welcome. Just something to note for those who are new, the difference between the Twitter and Discord, because I get asked it every single time, and it's better for me to just mention on here because I know most of you are from Twitter. Twitter, I just share setups that I do like and I expect to go up, okay? That means you always need to have a stop loss. Whatever you decide to have your stop loss, I personally have a 3% stop loss, but I would say maximum 5%. Whenever I post a stock, okay, I expect it to go up within a few minutes. That's why I turn on post notifications. I use the 5-minute chart, right? Do not full port into players because that's just stupid. You will not learn that way. I try and share charts that do usually go up. I only share setups that I expect to go up, like I said, because I'm not going to share charts that I expect to go down, right? With that being said, if people request tickers and I quote tweet it, all I do is, guys, it's very simple. If you guys request me a ticker, I will just tell you guys blatantly how it is, what the stock is like. If it's bullish, bearish, and that way you can get an idea basically of how the stock is, right? So it just cuts it short. But when I'm sharing charts during the day on Twitter, okay, most of the time, pretty much all the charts that I post without quote tweeting are bullish setups and I expect them to go up, okay? Whether I'm in or not, that is mentioned in the Discord, okay? And that I give entry stop loss targets. Myself and Hassie are both in the Discord together. We both trade pretty much the same way. But yeah, the difference with Discord is that we do live seminars, live day trading every single day. There's a lot of other stuff. We're also just implementing it next month as well. We're changing up the Discord a little bit with some cool things. So yeah, that's the only difference. I mean, you guys the only reason why you pay is because you're getting education from us, learn how we trade, and it's all up most of our time. I'm here from pre-market open, which is 5 hours ago, till pretty much lunchtime US time, because that's when I go to bed. But yeah, any questions about that, just message me on Twitter. That's where I'm most active, or Hassie. But yeah, any questions about that, feel free to ask on there. I hope you guys have a great day. I will keep posting on Twitter as usual. I will be busy in the Discord today, but I'll do my best to share charts. Please make sure you guys have a stop loss. Thanks again for the support on Twitter. I greatly appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day, and I will